Gardening season is festival season at Baker Creek. From the first blooms of spring to the harvest of autumn, we celebrate the dazzling diversity of heirloom varieties.
Baker Creek's really contributed to the genetic diversity and the ability for people to grow for themselves.
And the gardeners who love them, all on our farm and village in the Missouri Ozarks.
This place is awesome.
Festivals have been a part of Baker Creek's story from the beginning, drawing kindred souls together from far and near to share the joy of heirloom gardening.
I grew up not very far from here. This is a beautiful part of the Ozarks. These people believe in the land. They want to be able to take care of themselves and believe in plant, ye shall reap what you sow.
Learn from some of the brightest minds in gardening, seed saving, healthy living, farming, and self-sufficiency. And take a trip around the world in the exhibition hall, filled with gorgeous displays and seasonal wonders grown right on our farm. Be inspired by dreamers, doers, and makers who believe in the transformative power of gardening and healthy food.
All the people that are loving and kind and have compassion for the planet, we're together. We have to live by example. This is a school. The earth is a school, and we're here to learn, to serve.
Get a guided tour of the gardens and greenhouses with our expert horticulturalists, support local Ozarks vendors with their homegrown goods for the home and garden, and enjoy some great food and old-timey entertainment all day long. And keep the garden party going after dark by camping on the grounds.
If you come to these garden shows, if you walk around the parking lots, you will see a lot of plates from different states. They plan their vacations around it. It's fun.
These days of learning, tasting, sharing, and fun will feed your gardener's soul all year long. There's a festival for every season and every garden. Go to rareseeds.com to explore.